In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add number in fields in Framer. We'll set up a number field inside a Framer CMS collection so you can store values like ratings, read time, counts, or any other numeric data, and then publish those changes to your site. Start by opening your Framer project and heading to the CMS panel from the left sidebar. This is where your collections live and where we'll add the new field. Once you're in the CMS, locate your articles collection and open it. You'll see the list of existing fields along with controls to add more. Now, use the highlighted control to add a new field and choose number as the field type. This tells Framer that the values should be numeric, making them easier to sort, compare, and display consistently. Give the field a clear, descriptive name so teammates know exactly what it's for. A short description can also help explain how the value will be used on the site. With the number field created, let's configure it. Use the highlighted options to fine-tune behavior. Set a sensible maximum if you know the upper bound you'll ever need. This prevents accidental extra zeros or out-of-range values. If your use case benefits from a lower limit, set that too. Decide whether you allow decimals or want whole numbers only. For example, a rating might be 4.5, while an item count should be an integer. If your content editors will be incrementing values, consider a step size that makes editing quick and consistent. Next, review the unit display options. You can leave it as none for plain numeric values, or choose a symbol like % for things such as completion rates, or degrees when you're indicating temperature or angles. Cycle through the highlighted choices to see what's available, then pick the one that best matches the meaning of your data. Remember, units are primarily about display and clarity for editors and viewers. They don't change the underlying numeric type. As you adjust these settings, keep an eye on validation. A well-chosen min, max, and unit reduces errors and keeps your design consistent across components that consume this data. Framer makes these controls straightforward. Just use the highlighted areas to toggle, select, and confirm each option. When you're satisfied with the configuration, it's time to make the change live. Click Publish in the top right corner. Publishing updates your site's schema so the new number field is available wherever it's referenced. After publishing, any connected components can read and display this numeric value exactly